So guys, I have a Atlas Live order pool unboxing. I put in an order for mostly ink and I think 2 pens. This is going to be a great way of figuring out what I ordered from none other than the Atlas Stationers. So, without any further ado, let's get unboxing. I will, of course, pull this box a little off camera. I just wanted you guys to see. I am actually cutting this box open. I just have to pull it off screen, um, pull out the shipping manifest because I don't want you. As much as I love you guys, I don't need you knowing where I live. I don't need anybody knowing where I live except for Atlas Stationers because I want because I want stuff. Please continue sending me stuff. By sending me stuff, I mean the stuff that I ordered. So I did pay money. This is not a paid this is not a paid thing. Oh, okay. I will show this. I will show the bottom part of my order, of my manifest. It doesn't have my address, but I did send in a poem, and they drew the One Ring. Oh, that's amazing. A little heart, the One Ring, and then a star. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you, Atlas. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. I can't wait to visit when oh, I almost showed my address. Put that down. I can't wait to visit when I'm there for the Chicago Pen Show. So sorry guys. This camera's a little lower than I'm used to. Let's get all the packaging out of the way. It keeps everything safe. The Atlas Stationers card. Look at that. Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you guys. You guys are great. All right. Let's start. Oh, I ordered something. Okay. So, there is some stuff in this box that I do not fully remember. Okay, so first up, things I do remember, the newest of the Lamy All-Star lineup, Flamingo. So there's the Lamy Flamingo. Oh, it's even got the pink band. I didn't even notice that before. I didn't even notice that it had a pink band. I thought it was a black band. But no, it's a pink band. And Pine. So Flamingo and Pine. This one has the green band. Of course, the clips, something that they've been doing more recently is matching the clip color to the pen color, which I love. This is awesome. And also, so I'll show you guys. Oops. They're also matching the grip sections now. You can actually see the blue cartridge through this one. The pink is super clear. That's amazing. That's awesome. Let's tuck this guy in here. Oh, tuck this guy in here. All right, close it up. We'll do the same for the green. Check the section. Look at that. That is the green section. A little more opaque, but it's still pretty green. Sorry, pine. It's very pine. These are awesome. Awesome. Very excited for the newest additions to the All-Star lineup. So those are this year's new All-Stars. Next up, another pen that's been on my list for a while. This is the Pilot Explorer. So this pen has been on my to get list for a while. This is a more entry-level pilot pen as well, which is why it's been on my list. Comes with the standard use and care guide in the box. And it kind of tells you what cartridges you can put, or what cartridge or converter. So we have the Pilot Explorer. We can see it fits all of them actually. So it fits the cartridge, it fits the Con B, the Con 40, and the Con 70. Great news. I wonder which one is the Con B. Is the Con B the sack filled one? Comes with a cartridge right there. There's your Pilot cartridge. And look at this pen. Look at this pen. Yeah. Another one of the clear grip sections. You can see Pilot Super Quality Japan. Maybe it'll focus. Written on the nib. Can't really see it. Okay, that's fine. You'll just have to take my word. It says Pilot Super Quality Japan. And we're gonna get this little twist off here. And yep, this must be the Con B, which is the sack filling. This is, of all the cartridges or all the converters, my least favorite. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna actually probably pop this cartridge into here, go from there. Using the provided cartridge that comes with your pen is a great way to not have to make a ink decision right off the bat. It's a great way to avoid that decision. So that is the Pilot Explorer. And now, let's get the part that I'm sure you're all waiting for. The ink. The ink. I got a bunch of ink. Okay, so to start off... Oh, hold on. This is unexpected. There are some samples. Actually, it might be expected. There are some samples with my ink. So first off, we have Laban Artemis. I'm very excited about Laban Artemis. It's a blue fountain pen ink. Animals in the forest hide under the moonlight, pure and elegant in the darkest night. So, very excited for the Laban Artemis. Part of their Greek mythology collection. Then I have a sample of Ashes to Atlas, which is amazing. Oh, 2 samples of Ashes to Atlas. Get out. Get out. Let's go. Awesome. It makes it even better. Like, so awesome. All right, next inks here that I bought. All right, first off, I've got Shadows of Mordor, the last of the 3 Lord of the Rings inks by Ferris Wheel Press. I have the other 2. They're actually in a box down there. You'll probably see an ink swatching video of them. Next up, I have KWZ. This is their Iron Gall Blue Black. I'm very, very, very excited about this because I have a similar Iron Gall, which is the Roaring Klingner. And this is, look at this KWZ. Look at this packaging. Brilliant. Simple, beautiful, perfect. Right? Just a simple bottle. Beautiful, simple bottle. Oh, and I'm guessing that's the date it was made. So it's in their January 25th, 2025 batch. That's cool. Gotta keep that box for forever now. And then finally, Atlas's exclusive ink with Dominant Industry, Pangea. Oh, it's taped shut. Otherwise, I'd show you. I'm so excited about this. I was in the live stream when Hollywood first made this color, so I'm very, very pumped to have this in my hands and to be able to put it in a pen. And now, last but not least, we've got the live order pulling package here. Ooh, okay. Oh. Okay, so we've got some, I believe this is Kakamori paper, which is amazing. Who doesn't like some good paper? Next up, we've got this package of... No, this is the Kakamori paper. Is that other Kakamori paper? More Kakamori paper? It might all be Kakamori paper. And I've got a little swatch of... This is... Skies of Genoa. I think. That's a really cool swatch, though. And now I feel bad because I think I've smudged my camera. And included is a bunch of Atlas Stationers swatch cards as well, which is awesome because who doesn't need more swatch cards? So this is great. Thank you, Atlas Stationers, for putting together this little package. I love all of my paper. I'm going to use all of my paper. Thank you guys very much. And that's it for this box. As you can tell, the box is empty. So, as always, guys, thank you for watching. As always, be excellent to each other and Keela Salai. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.